The Roblox niche is absolutely blowing up on YouTube right now. And just look at this channel. It has built 1.7 million subscribers purely by posting this style of Roblox cartoon content. What's even more impressive is that most of their videos are already sitting at millions of views. And one of the biggest advantages of this niche is that Roblox fans love Roblox content. If they're interested in Roblox, chances are they are going to watch it. So if you're looking for a niche with a huge audience and endless content opportunities, this is definitely one worth paying attention to. Now let me show you exactly how you can create these videos completely free. The first thing you need to do is head to the description and grab the master prompt. I have already prepared it for you. Copy the entire prompt, open ChatGPT, paste it in and hit enter. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate complete video prompts for every scene of your video. And here's what makes this flow so useful. If you ever want completely different story, simply type next. ChatGPT will instantly generate a brand new story idea for you. That means you will never run out of content to create. Now copy the prompt for the scene 1 and head over to the Google Flow. Select the video option and choose your favorite model. Paste the prompt and hit enter. Within a few seconds, your first Roblox scene will be generated. Now, to create the next scene with a smooth transition, open your first video and save the final frame using the Save Frame option. Click on that saved frame, select the three dots and choose Animate. Then paste your scene 2 prompt. This helps keep the story flowing naturally from one scene to the next. Now repeat the same process for the remaining scenes until your entire story is complete. I have generated 3 scenes here so you can see how the result will look. Once all your scenes are ready, open your preferred video editor and import all your clips. Arrange them in the correct order from the beginning to end. Make sure everything flows smoothly and the story feels natural. Once you are happy with the final result, export the video. And just like that, your Roblox video is ready to upload. Now let's watch the final result together.
Look at all my stuff!
Wow! That's huge!
Wait, what's happening? Something looks wrong! No, no, no! Look at the sky! My mansion is gone! I'm sorry.
And that's the complete method. If you want more viral AI niches like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one.